Hello dear children, welcome to e-learning class. A warm welcome to you all in this LKG class. My name is Miss Hema and today I am going to teach you cursive small letters. In that we are going to learn letter C and A. So cursive small c and cursive small a we are going to learn today. But before that I will show you some patterns to be practiced. I will show you two patterns which are given on page number 1 and page number 2 of your cursive small letters book. You have to start from the first blue line, come down and move little further, go up, come down on the same line, move little further, go up, again come down, move little further and go up, come down on the same line, move little further and go up. This is the pattern which you have to practice in your book. One more time we will see the same pattern. Start from the first blue line, come down straight to the second blue line, move little further and go up, come down on the same line, again move little further and go up, come down straight on the same line, move little further, go up, come down, again move little further, go up. Here is the pattern. So did you notice children that while practicing the pattern you don't have to lift your hand, continuously you have to write. Now the second pattern will start from the second blue line, from down to up, move little further and come down straight, go up on the same line, again move little further and come down, go up on the same line, move little further, come down, go up on the same line, move further and come down. This is the second pattern. So you have to write without lifting your hand. One more time I will show you this same pattern. Start from down, from the second blue line, go up to the first blue line. Move further and come down straight, go up on the same line, again move further and come down, go up on the same line, move little ahead and come down, go up on the same line, move ahead and come down. Yes, okay, this is the second pattern you have to practice in your book. Yes, this is cursive small c. Yes children, C for car, C for cake, yummy cake. Yes, you all like to eat cake. And C for, what is this? Cap. C for car, C for cake and C for cap. This is cursive small c. Now let's see how to write cursive small c. First we will see the correct formation of cursive small c. Pay attention children, your formation must be correct. Start from down and go up by making a curve. Come down and C. Cursive small c. One more time I will show you. Start from down and go up. Make a curve, come down, C. This is cursive small c. You have to make curve starting from down like this and come down on the same curve. This is C. This is the correct formation of C. You have to write without lifting your hand continuously. Now we will see how to write cursive small c in the 4-line book. Here is the 4-line page. I will show you how to write. C we have to write in this blue line only. In your 4-line book, there are 4 lines given. First one is red line, second one is blue line, again third one is blue line, and the fourth one is red line. So in these 4 lines, we have to write all the letters. But here, cursive small c, we are supposed to write in this within blue line only. Okay children, so let's see. Start from the third line, that is second blue line. Make a curve, go up to the first blue line and then come down C. Cursive small c. Again I will show you. Start from the second blue line, that is third line, and make a curve. Come down C. Start from down, go up and make a curve. Come down C. This is cursive small c. Now children, if you write C like this, first if you make semicircle and then you will do slanting line, this is wrong. If you write C like this is also wrong. If you go out of the blue line and like this, if you write, this is also wrong. Which is the correct method of writing? From down to up, make a curve, come down and C. This is the correct formation of C, and you don't have to lift your hand while writing. Now after C, the next letter is A. But you all must be thinking, why Miss has taught us C first and after that A? Yes children, one important thing I will tell you. First of all, we are going to learn all those letters which we are supposed to write within blue line only. Yes, if you learn to write C properly, then after A will be very easy for you to write. Yes, this is cursive small a. Yes, A for ant, A for apple, and A for aeroplane. Yes, A for ant, A for apple, A for aeroplane. Okay, now let's see the correct formation of cursive small a. While writing cursive small a, we have to make curve like C. From down to up. Curve, come down on the same curve, go up straight and come down. Cursive small a. Again we will see. Make a curve starting from down to up. Come down on the same curve and go up straight. Come down A. Let's see one more time. Observe carefully children how my hand is moving. I am not lifting my hand while writing. Same way you have to write. How to make curve? Starting from down, go up, come down on the same curve, go up straight and come down, make little curve. This is cursive small a. Now we will see how to write A in 4 lines. Okay children, A also we have to write within blue line. It must not go out of the blue line, otherwise it will become wrong. Yes children, watch carefully. Make a curve starting from down, that is second blue line. Go up and make a curve. Come down on the same curve. Go up and come down little curve. This is cursive small a. In the next line we will write starting from down to up. Make a curve. Come down. Again go up straight and come down, make a little curve. This is cursive small a. One more time. From where we have to start? from the second blue line, from down. And first we have to make a curve. See how my hand is moving? Curve, come down straight, go up, again come down and make little curve. Cursive small a. Now if you write a like this, first you will make circle and do curve from this side and other side. This is wrong formation. Yes. Or else if you write like this is also wrong. If you go out of the blue line and if you write anyhow, this is also wrong. We have to write within blue line only. Again I will show you the correct formation. Without lifting your hand, you have to write. Starting from down, go up, make a curve, come down, go up and come down straight. This is cursive small a. So dear children, today we have learnt how to write cursive small c and cursive small a. Again I repeat the instruction that first we are going to learn all those letters which we are supposed to write within blue line. Then after we will move ahead. So in cursive small letters we will not go in sequence, but we will take all those letters which we are supposed to write within blue line, and you have to practice patterns also because it increases the continuity and fluidity of writing cursive alphabets. Okay children, in the homework you have to write cursive small c and cursive small a in your cursive book. Till then, practice well. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.